Hello students, today we learn conjunction which is a part of the grammar. You all know about this. So what is conjunction? A word that joins together sentences and also clauses and phrases. एक word जो join करते हैं sentences को, clauses and phrases को और words और शब्दों को, इनको आप कहते हैं conjunction. So you know about the definition now. That is a word that joins together sentences, clauses and phrases or words. Sentences, clauses, phrases or words को जो join करते हैं that is conjunction. So you come to know about there are three types of conjunction. First is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. A word that joins together sentences, clauses, phrases, or words. Conjunctions are used to join words, word groups, and sentences. कंजंक्शन का यूज आप वर्ड को, वर्ड ग्रुप्स को, सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं. ए वर्ड दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अदर वर्ड्स. एक वर्ड जो दूसरे वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है, फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करता है, आप उन्हें कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. कंजंक्शंस आर फॉर कनेक्टिंग थॉट्स, एक्शंस एंड आइडियाज. कंजंक्शन थॉट, एक्शंस एंड आइडियाज को कनेक्ट करता है इन ए सेंटेंस, फ्रेज और इन ए वर्ड, as well as nouns, clauses and other parts of speech. So you see the example, there are two types of example. Mary went to the market dash bought oranges. So you can use and there, and is a conjunction. We made pancakes, eggs dash coffee for breakfast. Breakfast के लिए pancakes, eggs और coffee बनाई गई. So you can use and is a conjunction. So you come to know about and is a conjunction which also connects sentence, clauses, phrases or words. So you know about the coordinating conjunctions. So it is clear to you all that about conjunctions. Conjunctions is divided into three parts: coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunctions. So you know about what is coordinating conjunctions, what is subordinating conjunctions and what are correlative conjunctions. So first is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are all coordinating conjunctions जिन्हें आपने नाम दे दिया fan boys. So you can see now coordinating conjunctions को आपने नाम दे दिया fan boys. ये एक hint है जिससे आप coordinating conjunctions याद रखेंगे. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, and S means so. So it is a very simple hint to know about, to learn about coordinating conjunctions. Means fan boys. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, Y means yet, O means or, and S means so. This is fan boys. For and nor, but, or, yet, so are coordinating conjunctions. तो देखिए फ्रेंड्स ये कितना easy है ना students. Next, you know about subordinating conjunctions: after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, where, wherever, even though, every time, if, in order that, since, so that, then, though, unless, until, whenever, whereas, while. All are subordinating conjunctions. Then correlative conjunctions: either, or, not only, but, also. Neither, no, both, and, whether, or, just as, so, the, as much as, no sooner, than, rather than. So it is clear to you all. You can make this chart. After that, what is coordinating conjunctions, what is subordinating, what is correlative, you can learn with the help of examples. Now, coordinating conjunctions connect equal parts. वर्ड को वर्ड के साथ, फ्रेज को फ्रेज के साथ एंड सेंटेंस को सेंटेंस के साथ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस कनेक्ट करती हैं. फेन बॉयज का आपको पता लग गया. सेम रॉड द रोलर कोस्टर डैश आई रॉड द फेरिस व्हील. and is a coordinating conjunction. I like commentary dash I like Disney more. मैं commentary पसंद करता हूँ but पर मैं डिज्नी, जो डिज्नी चैनल्स होते हैं, कार्टून चैनल्स, उनको ज़्यादा लाइक करता हूँ. आफ्टर दैट यू कम टू नो अबाउट subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join dependent clauses to independent clauses. जो डिपेंडेंट क्लोजेज होते हैं, जिनको सेंटेंस आगे इंक्रीज करने की ज़रूरत होती है, जो एक सेंटेंस के साथ एंड अप नहीं होते, नीड होती है उसे आगे इंक्रीज करने की, वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोजेज को ज्वाइन करते हैं. क्योंकि जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोजेज होते हैं वो अपने आप में स्वतंत्र होते हैं, अपने आप में पूरे होते हैं. इन कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस दे प्रोवाइड द ट्रांजिशन बिटवीन द आइडियाज इन ए सेंटेंस. सो यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल. While we rode the roller coaster, Beth screamed. My stomach lurched as we zoomed down. Correlation conjunction. Now you come to know about correlation conjunction. Conjunctions are used in pairs to link equivalent parts in a sentence. The most common are either or, neither, nor, not only, but also, so as. So you can see neither Bill nor Jane will ride the coaster. जहाँ आप neither use करोगे वहाँ पर nor. Neither and nor is also be used in a negative way. Either or is used as a positive way. After that, you see about coordinating conjunctions, which is important, which play very important role in the conjunction. Always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. Fan boys, you know about for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. It is easy for remember to know about coordinating conjunction. After that, you come to know about for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, one by one. So, you know, beta,